Can I actually figure out the secret to credit success for 2026? As we all know, the world of credit is constantly changing, and 2026 is no exception. With economic shifts, new technologies emerging, and changing regulations, achieving credit success will require a fresh approach. In this video, we're going to explore what credit success means in 2026, the challenges you'll face, and most importantly, the secret to unlocking your credit potential. One of the biggest pitfalls people face with credit is not understanding how their credit score is calculated. It's not just about paying your bills on time, there are many other factors at play. By 2026, these factors might become even more complex, making it harder for people to navigate. Another challenge is the rise of debt and how it affects credit utilization. As interest rates fluctuate, managing debt will become increasingly important. The way we use credit is also changing rapidly. With the emergence of new financial technologies, people are expecting more flexibility and control over their financial lives. But this also means that lenders and creditors are adapting their strategies to stay competitive. By 2026, we can expect even more innovative solutions, but also new hurdles to overcome. And let's not forget about economic shifts. A changing job market, inflation, and other economic factors can all impact credit success. Understanding these challenges is crucial, but it's equally important to stay ahead of the game. So, what can you do to set yourself up for credit success in 2026? One strategy is to stay informed about new credit scoring models and how they might affect your credit score. You should also be on the lookout for emerging financial technologies that can help you manage your credit more effectively. To achieve credit success in 2026, you'll need to understand how to leverage emerging financial technologies to your advantage. This might mean using new tools to track your credit utilization, or finding ways to build credit through non-traditional methods. Adapting to potential economic shifts is also crucial. This might mean being prepared for changes in interest rates or adjusting your spending habits to account for inflation. Another key strategy is to focus on building a strong credit foundation. This means paying your bills on time, keeping credit utilization low, and monitoring your credit report for errors. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to handle any challenges that come your way. The secret to 2026 credit success is not a magic trick, but a mindset shift. It's about being proactive, adaptable, and patient. It's about understanding that credit success is a long-term game, not a short-term fix. By focusing on the right strategies and being prepared for the challenges ahead, you can unlock your credit potential and achieve financial freedom. In summary, achieving credit success in 2026 requires a combination of understanding new credit scoring models, leveraging emerging financial technologies, and adapting to potential economic shifts. The secret to success is a mindset shift towards being proactive, adaptable, and patient. If you have your own credit goals for 2026, share them with us in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights and check out our related video for more tips and tricks.